Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Friends from the press, we appreciate your time. Now, this morning, we wanted to give you a brief recap of our first phase of Busoga Tour and also express some concerns. First of all, we appreciate all of you friends from the press for covering our travel, for covering our first phase of the campaign. Ever since we launched our manifesto, and we continue to traverse our various areas in Busoga. We appreciate you working under stress, especially those that are streaming live, because we have been informed that there are Germans moving in police cars, trying to ensure that they sabotage and frustrate our communication to the outside world. But we appreciate those of you that have gone on to record, and then when there's better network, post your recordings. But even those of you that are maneuvered around that blockade, goes far and wide. We appreciate you. We appreciate the fellow leaders, especially the leaders in Busoga. Thank you very much for standing firm, for preparing well, and for continuing to give us a good and big face. As Lynn mentioned that last time in 2021, we were just relating with whoever was around. Now we have prominent leaders, moral leaders, trustable leaders, and we are sure that we are going to organize the forthcoming election. We also want to thank the foot soldiers, the leaders from Kampala, and the members for keeping the discipline and adhering by our values. We thank the people of Busoga for welcoming us massively, for showing us support, and for promising us to be agents wherever we've been, because that is what we've been asking them to do. I also appreciate my family in Busoga for the blessing and good welcome. Now, many of you have seen that we've been blocked by the police. It is unfair. It is illegal, it is a sign of cowardice. But again, that continues to personify the regime. We were blocked from using the main roads. However, that was an advantage in one way or another, because it gave us opportunity to once again see firsthand and show the world firsthand the reality in Busoga, the sickening poverty, the dead infrastructure, the dangerous roads that have turned into death traps, the dilapidated schools, the broken down healthcare system in the deep of Busoga. So while they wanted to push us off the main roads and ensure that they take so much of our time where we are supposed to travel for 20 minutes, we end up traveling for hours, 2-3 hours. But ultimately, it has given the world and the nation a clear and in-depth picture of Busoga. Those are the things that we promise the people of Busoga to address, and we promise we shall give them. You've also seen the bias and the one-sidedness of not just the police or the military, but also the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission continues to be silent when we are harassed, when we are blocked from campaigning. Yesterday we were supposed to campaign in Iganga municipality. That is where 2 presidential candidates have been already. But we were ruled told that other candidates will be allowed to campaign in the municipality and will not be allowed. And indeed, the road was closed and us. We were not able to campaign in Iganga. But we promised the people of Iganga that we shall come back and talk to them physically. We refuse to be involved in altercation with police. We refuse to be used in order to make violence upon us, because they want to provoke us into violence so they can get justification to do like that. We refuse that. We are not going to run this campaign on morality and on adherence with the law. And we are going to expose all illegality and impunity by the police. So today we continue with our, today we conclude our first phase in Busoga. We're going to Namaingo and Ujib. We invite our people to come in large numbers peacefully to listen to our message and thereafter spread it far and wide. Thank you very much, and may God bless this final day of the first phase of the Busoga tour. Bana tusangaire ino, tuwebaza ino, mwena abanamawulire, ne bakomrade baife nairala abakulembeze ab'omu Busoga mwebale ino mwebalire irala okutwa ekifaananyi ekirungi n'okuteekateeka nga bwe mulibona abantu ba Busoga abaviireyo mu bungi ne batwaniriza ne batwoleka obuwagizi aye waire nga wabaddewo obuzibu poliisi etulobere okukozesa enjira enene batusindika mu dipanya batusindika mu byalo waire batukola batyo batumalira obwire kuba kisobozeseza bonabona nairala abakamera okwoleka ensi yona yona obwavu obuli mu Busoga enjira embi ediri mu Busoga okunigirizibwa okuli mu Busoga amasomero agamenesemenese amalwaliro n'ebindi byona byona basobole okubibona mubone mwena mwena obutali bwenkanya obwa poliisi n'obwakakiiko ak'ebyokulonda wairekaako banti okulonda kulina kuba free and fair aye mwabone nti bakandidati abandi babiri babaire able okampaininga mu Busoga municipality mu Iganga municipality sorry aye ifwe batuzibira enjira twalemesebwa okujyayo twayikiriziganya nti titwida kulwana na poliisi oba kuyombagana nabo aye tubatunuze mu kamera twoleke ensi obutali bwenkanya twaba promisinze abantu beiganga nti tujja komawo tukole campaign tukube rally mu Iganga municipality nga aba presidential candidates bona abalala olwaleero tulija Namayingo na Bugiri tuleeta mwena mwide muliro baka bwaife memale mubongereyo eri ensi yona yona tubebaza ino tubebaza irala olwa byona byona bimukoze especially ba food soldiers bamemba bona abo sense discipline n'empisa daife mwebale ino mwebale irala yeah
in the things that we do, official rights complex to the electoral commission as this been advancing already, the house will expect this complex. Even for the
so, in the last section, the first challenges, and the company has to break the head to go make someone see physically. It's something that I think about, especially if you're thinking about several citizen and
President usitulaganya kambali abagezaako okutambula mu kwica omugenda mu buli lwabonyawo ebyasukiriza kino kigerere obaana mu muzira mu ggolo
neyanziza baleta abakisoboka n'ekisoboka President bakalima wakatandika butandike singa nayagana tesebutalembeze campaign like that saying like was certain data So I think I can respond to one question about Iganga. So yesterday people saw the police statement which claimed that we rejected the road they had given us, and it was completely false because what the police said was that they did not want us to campaign in Iganga municipality. That was their position. They reached the point of claiming that we wanted to ban Iganga. You can imagine the shamelessness. I was there in the morning, we engaged the RPC, we called the Kampala, we called the Minister of the Electoral Commission, we engaged everyone. But the police said they did not want us to be in the municipality because of the numbers that they were anticipating. And like we've been saying consistently, it is not a crime for NUP to have many supporters. You saw, we first of all tried to get other venues within Iganga municipality, and they intimidated venue owners of all those other places. We'd go to all the places we went to, they claimed that they needed to get police clearance first, and the police refused to give that. Until we got Kikerewe Memorial Grounds at It's a very, very good place if you guys can go and see it. But the problem is, it was in the municipality. So they blocked it. We then tried to use the radio ground. Again, they said you cannot operate from there. Where other candidates have been, you've seen some other candidates even pass through the main roads in Iganga and all that. So the blockade yesterday was really just about them insisting that you cannot use Iganga municipality. But even the alternative venue they gave us, which was in Chiguru North constituency, as you could see, they wanted us to use a very, very long route, which would take about 3 hours, 3-4 hours to reach that place. Meaning that we'd reach there at around 5 or 6 p.m. when we are not able to communicate with our people to have enough patient ECGC. And that is what has come of this long route they forced us to do. You've seen that all our rallies, we have to spend a very, very short time. First of all, because if it's the first rally, it means that you have to rush because you need to go for the next one. And if it is the second rally, the law says you must finish by 6 p.m. But you see us sometimes get to those venues at around 5:30 p.m. How on earth are you expected to do a rally and finish it just within 30 minutes? So that is what they're trying to do to block us and all that. So it's only Iganga, Okitamundi, Banabantu, or Kitizi, Bagani, Bagani, Ogena, Iganga municipality. Our campaign, the guys who have challenges in Uganda, so the campaign in the municipality. Already vacant family, a campaign in municipality. The campaign in municipality, Mukana Vazibani. Chipaga Vagaman, Okena Vazi, and try and get you the job of no president Matasuana, for consultation up to this level. So, says the old statement, we try to get father so we can get a one, which will not consider it. Naira, in terms of which never had any one question. And what is October route, what is all to say that Magasatu, Baga Cosepo is all to say, Sawa, Nasatu, Obanya, Ugani, Baba, you never have princess. Muzama, you say you move to campaign is a South Indian that you can Asatu, Bagamapu, what is some, and what about your program you get? More than the number of the South Asatu. So Singapore says that main road. You want to get up to Buyo, instead of Chicago. I have not to town with my South Asatu, that without to pay it, you do like Chicago. Arati, Usonga, yes, don't want to hours is ready. If I know the money from Matina, one of the Mura Viso, Navajo, the weekend, a money from Macha, protested the police to copy. But whatever it is, one way to any Purtana Capininga, Nivin is Capininga, one of the constituents, Chief of Sao, or Capininga, so she spoke about it. How you to be taken, or you get Munez, constituency. Precisamente ya sawa tukajua grafia na kueleza mtu. Banga waposti tu soka mandikali. Mawa sawa ikisao international as long as municipality. Nibagana. Ebisawe binabyo nabyo na ebili kuga municipality. Nibagana ibagesa ukinayo unakolona.
Abo enyo SG kozi kanyongere ko konsonge yo. Ikibadde kigendere kugano bena before ebimu. Nakajukira noti polisi yasoka kugala kubo erigenda kumalo gwemukungu. Yeah. Bukungu, right? Yes. Kumalo gwe bukungu bagalawe kubo ngati wali nsonga yona ne bagalawe kubo ne bagambe ne tumugenda campaigning yayo kubanga bali bakoze ebikolobero kubanga abantu babayisude mu nyanja kubanga abantu bagobye ku nyanja so ne bagambe ekyo kandire kyomulala ne bamukiriza nagenda na campaigning yayo n'ekyo kubira nti polisi yennyini ne motoka ez'amagye bajja ne batukiika motoka mukubu then ne batandika okuvuga mpolo olwedde batudivert okuva ku main road n'ate neno mukama kuba getaka ne bajja ne batukiika emotoka zaabwe abavuga bubi balinga gezaako tukozesa obubenje oba bagezaako okusiba okusala speedi yaffe so ekyo nakyo kibadde kizibu tukyemulugunyaako tukivumirira era nakyo tugenda kisa mu baluwa yaffe eyo of course bino twabisuubira n'ebirala ebisingawo. Twajja mu kalulu kano era twakayita protest vote kubanga twali tuzze okulwanagana n'obutali bwenkanya ffe nga tukozesa obwenkanya, okulwanagana n'obulimba nga ffe tukozesa amazima, okulwanagana n'obumenyi bw'amateeka ffe nga tukozesa amateeka. Tetuva tukunga bannayuganda okwenyigira mu mbeera eno eya protest vote getugenda okuba nga tubanyonyola nga tugenda maaso ne campaign. Omu atubuuzizza nti kaakati bino bye bakola era bagenda bikolanga luli bwe batulemesa okukampeininga, bwe batuyita mujje twogere, bwe batumalirayo olunaku olulala naku 2-3 nga tetukampeinize, tugenda kutuuka ku bantu baffe mu buli mbeera yonna. Tugenda kutuuka ku bantu baffe mu buli mbeera yonna nga tetumenye mateeka, nga tetukoze fujjo, naye nga tutuuse ku bantu baffe wabula tetukola tukikolera amateeka. Omulundi guno tetugenda kukkiriza akakiiko kabya kulonda tusalako nnaku zaffe nga bala bakampeininga nga ffe tetukampeininga mu butali bwenkanya. So tujja kubatuukako mu buli mbeera yonna. Ndoozi ebibuuzo byonna tumazeeyo.
Kulonda kuli twalaba kyamana akakiiko by'okulonda mu nnyo yakyaliwo olwo ebintu ebyakutuukako yagamba ye talina TV we oluno tukatusuubire nga yafuna TV okwemulugunga kwamu mwanateesa bwekintu yafuna TV
tukakasa okumanya byabakama olwa ofiisi ye alina okuba yafuna TV, alina okuba ne ku simu ye kutuukako amawulire alaba byonna ebigenda maaso. Ekyongera tukakasa nti yafuna TV era alaba byonna ebigenda maaso. Yakubirako sekretary general waffe simu ng'amugamba lwaki tuvuga n'abantu bangi mu kkubo, lwaki tubeera ne convoy. Era nkakasa TV eyo n'essimu eyo yamulaga
z'obufumbo olina omwami naye ng'akutawanya, olina omukyala ng'akutawanya, bajja ne bakwagalako ne bagenda. Gwe alina ebizibu mu byenfuna nga sente zikuyita mu ngalo, wooteeka sente zifa bufi b'owola tebazza. Gwe aloota ng'ogwa mu nnyanja, gwe alumizibwa omutwe nga guganja okuwona, naawe aloota ng'ebintu bikozesa ensonga z'obufumbo. Nina ekifo ku mugga awali amayinja wennyambulirako ebisiraani, ekikwa, ekifiiriza, omudibo, obutaganja, obutaweebwa. Nzijanjaba abantu ab'enzikiriza zonna, nsiŋŋaanibwa njeru ku lw'ejjinja. Gwanjagala kuba ku nnamba yange eyo, naawe ali ewala ennyo yita ku WhatsApp.